Good morning, everybody. Yeah, it's not really morning. It's like 11 o'clock, I think. 11, almost noon. It's 11:51. So we are just getting dressed and getting ready to go. We're gonna go to Minnesota. My parents live like right across the river to Minnesota, so we're just gonna go there because Minnesota's tax-free on clothes. And I just want to see, I want to check out Walmart and see. I'm just gonna leave everybody in the car while I run inside. I'm gonna see if I can run and find some shorts for Charlotte because she has like hardly any shorts to wear. And then we're gonna go to my favorite Dollar Tree, get some lunch, and then we're gonna go have a play date at a park with my best friend. Her name is Jennifer, but I call her Jenny. So we're gonna go see her, have the kids play at a park. So looking forward to that. I got one cup done, you guys. Like, this is for you. Sorry if I'm saying your name wrong. Lashwanda. I finished your cup, so now I just have to let it dry. It takes about a couple, you know, about 5 days to dry, but I'll probably send it out in the mail on Monday. So hoping for that. I did order some care cards, so I gotta wait for the care cards to come in. But I did get that done. I'm gonna take my medicine, and then my mom loved her cup. I made her a cup, and now she wants a different one, so I'm gonna make her another one, a different style, but that's fine with me. And then I got 2 more cups that I'm working on. One for a friend and then one for a video, and then I know a couple of you guys wanted me, or one of you guys wanted me to make some more cups, so I'm just waiting for more information on that. But otherwise, we all slept good. Charlotte's just having the time of her life. The kids are actually being really good, like super perfect. Ben's just being awesome, which is nice. So we're having a nice day. It's 75 degrees outside. It's actually not that warm out, which is, I mean, it's nice outside, but it's not like humid or anything. Yes, I got my t-shirt and my hair. I just like doing that whole method now. It's just, I'm trying to really take care of my hair, so we'll see about that. But we are gonna get going. Yeah? You wanna go for a ride? Yeah? Yeah. She's just chilling in her little baby chair, so that's what's going on. I will catch you guys back in a bit when we're more motivated to do more stuff. I also decided I'm not doing a Walgreens ad preview just because I don't get as many views as I want for it, and I just don't feel like doing it. And my mom's internet is so slow that it's just not worth me doing it. And I just want to have a nice little time, take a break. So all I'm doing is vlogging. That's all I'm gonna do. But I'm excited to get home this weekend because I want to do a couple more videos. I want to start posting some stuff on Etsy, possibly. Yeah, I just want to get pictures. I gotta start taking pictures of stuff. So that is what's going on, and I'll catch you guys back when we're ready to walk out the door. So it is, I don't even know what time it is. Like, really? What time is it? I don't even know. I lost my mask. I put it next to Charlotte. It's probably like 3 o'clock right now. We had Culver's for lunch because that's what we do. I found some cups, you guys. I went to Starbucks because I'm addicted to their s'more drinks. But they actually had the smaller cups, which I was pretty excited for. So I got 2 of those to do some more crafts with it. Sorry, this guy's like staring at me like, what the heck are you doing? I'm like, no, I'm just talking to my camera. So my mom had to she had to go run in some store, and I lost my keys. So we are currently just waiting for her, and then we're gonna go run into my best friend. But we went to the Dollar Tree, and this is the one that I love. I always find stuff. Yeah, just hold on 1 second. I always find stuff that you never know you're gonna find. So what do you gotta tell them?
Got lollipop and pop. It's a baby one.
Yeah, so that's what's going on. We're gonna go find my friend Jenny and go have a play. Well, hey you guys, so sorry I haven't been vlogging lately. I just didn't feel like vlogging. It wasn't very much exciting stuff going on. I look like crap because I just wasn't gonna do anything today, but we are currently driving back to my house, where I live. I went to go visit my well, he's not my little brother, but my brother who came to visit me last week. We stopped at his brand new house, and he gave us a tour. So it is 3:54. I am not going to get home until 6:09. I wanted to get home earlier than that, but totally fine. We just hung out with Brandon for like an hour. So now we're heading home, and I'll see you guys later with more stuff going on. So we're on a country road right now, so nothing going on an old country road, but I will see you guys later. Hey you guys, been a long time. Sorry, I kind of mentioned before that I just needed to take a break. It is 10:23. I am watching a documentary with my cat on my lap. Paris missed me so much, you guys. Like, I would call Graham at night and she would be crying so loud because she's like, "Meow, meow." And since I've been home, she hasn't done anything. She just missed me so much. Like, it's so weird how my cat missed me that much. So she's just been with me the whole time. So, because I've been with her since, you know, the last time I spent the night somewhere else was last July. Like, I've been sleeping at my house for the whole entire year. And over that past year, she's actually gone, you know, she got deaf. She's now deaf. She can hear very little, but, you know, I've been with her the whole entire time. We've never been gone. And then, you know, especially during the whole last, almost 4 months now, you know, we've been with her constantly because of the virus. We can't do very much. So, yeah. So I had a nice, relaxing week, you guys. Like, my mom does a lot of stuff. Like, I think she just liked it, you know, to take care of somebody because she's so lonely. But Ben was so good. So good. Ben was so good. Charlotte was so good. We went in the hot tub all 4 days. My mom doesn't have it, like, super hot. She has it just because, you know, it's summertime. You don't need it that hot. But Ben thought it was like a giant swimming pool. This morning we went in it and Charlotte fell asleep in my arms. It was so cute. 2 days ago we went to visit my best friend Jenny. She's currently, I think, 3 months pregnant. But I went to go visit her. She has a son, and then she has another son from her husband. And like that, Ben played with her sons at this little park, and it was actually kind of cold outside, which was, you know, nice because we didn't have the hot sun. So Ben and his friend, the boys were just playing in the park, and then Miss Charlotte was collecting rocks. And then we stayed there for, like, I think like an hour or two, and then we went back. But it was just so nice. I finished, you know, one of my cups that I'm working on. I just gotta let it dry. I was finishing another cup, but I ran out of the jewels. I have the jewels here at the house. I just didn't bring them with me. Totally forgot. And then I started working on my friend's cup. So, yeah. So tomorrow I'm gonna try to get everything put away. This place was clean when we got home, and now you can't even tell. So I'm gonna pick up tomorrow. Graham's dad's birthday's tomorrow, so we're gonna go get some ice cream, but I also want to get some stuff done here. I got a lot of laundry to do. And then I gotta start cutting out some t-shirts. I just got my thank you cards that I ordered. I got a couple other things that I am waiting to come in the mail, but I'm just getting ready. I'm getting prepared to start selling on Etsy, you guys. I'm so excited. So that's how my day was going, but I just really needed a break. I didn't post any videos. Like, I did my Dollar Tree haul and I did the Michaels haul, but you guys, my parents' internet is so slow. It took over 2 hours for the Michaels video to post, and it took almost an hour and a half for the Dollar Tree video to post. An hour and a half. At my house, it takes like 10 minutes to upload. Sometimes, maybe, most of the time, it's a lot less than that. But like, less than a couple minutes as it takes me to upload, you know, a 20-minute video. But 2 hours. And my mom's like, oh, we just upgraded our internet. I'm like, to what? So, yeah. And then it's funny thing is, like, when you are uploading something, you can't stream something. It's like one or the other. So I couldn't even stream music while we were in the hot tub because I was uploading my video while we were in the hot tub just because it takes so long, and we couldn't even stream music to play because, sorry, I have to look at my cat's butt. It's just so slow. So yeah, I don't know. But my mom will probably come down at the end of August. My birthday's at the end of August. Ben's birthday's at the beginning of September. She just recently retired, so she can come down more. But she's definitely going to come down for Ben's birthday. But But yeah, it was just nice and relaxing to get some stuff done. I told Graham today I want to have another garage sale before the end of the year, just so we can, you know, sell more stuff as I'm cleaning out the basement. Which this week I didn't do very much on the basement, which is fine. But I plan on working on a little bit by little bit by little bit all the week. I can't believe it's almost the end of the month already. I'm tired. Like I said, it's like 10:30. I'm watching this documentary. I've already watched 2 hours of it. I still got 2 hours left to go. But if you guys want a new show to watch, I definitely recommend watching The Kissing Booth. There's one that came out like 2 years ago. I love that movie. I don't know why, but I just love that movie. That's probably the most watched movie I have watched on Netflix. That is crazy. And then the new one just came out today, which I really wanted to watch it, but I haven't had a chance to watch it. But I want to watch it like when I can focus on things. So I'll probably turn it on either tonight when I'm laying down to go to bed, or I'll just probably watch it tomorrow, which I probably should do because I'm just tired. So I think I'm going to stop watching this. I'm going to upload this video, and I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. It's going to be a hot one, so no idea what we're in for. But I'm just excited to be home, get some stuff done, get some stuff packed up, get some stuff made. I'm ready to start selling on Etsy, you guys. I'm so ready to sell on Etsy. I just got a couple more things I want to make before I post some more stuff, but I just don't want to have like 3 items. Right now I got 1, 2, 3, the third one I'm making right now. I got 2 things already made, and then I'm working on 4 more things right now too. So it's like I just gotta do it. So yeah, I will see you guys all bright and early, possibly tomorrow. Let's have a nice, exciting family day. See you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.